At DRS Daylight Solutions, we have created a legacy of developing and delivering high-performance lasers and photonics systems that are now deployed into multiple industries. Our vision is that the application of the core technologies we've developed will continue to expand and enable our customers to redefine what's possible. With DRS Daylight Solutions, our mission expanded. By commercializing quantum cascade laser technology, we have enabled applications that range from real-time cancer tissue analysis to bioprocessing to directed infrared countermeasures. Our products have propelled us to the forefront of photonics innovation for industries as diverse as healthcare, environmental monitoring, space communications, quantum photonics, and aerospace and defense. Throughout our journey, one principle has guided us: enabling what's next. Our high-performance lasers aren't just tools, they are enablers of progress, pushing the boundaries of science, medicine, security, and technology. As we look to the future, our legacy in high-performance lasers and photonics systems continues to grow. With each innovation, we're not just lighting the way, we're defining it, committed to excellence and the endless pursuit of what's next.